Problemado ka rin ba sa pagtulog? May re-recommend ako na might help you rin. Eto siya, Sleepasil. Combo siya ng melatonin, chamomile, valerian root, and lemon balm, all good things that are known to help us sleep better and even aid in relieving stress. Isa sa mga struggles ko yung makatulog agad or makasleep ng mahimbing, lalo na when I'm stressed sa work or adulting things. Kaya I've been taking melatonin before, pero may days na di siya talaga gumagana. So I was eager talaga to try Sleepasil kasi dati nagka-chamomile tea rin ako to relax. I thought, uy, maganda to kasi combo na nakakatulong makarelax and makatulog. And in my first week of taking Sleepasil, ramdam ko talaga yung difference. Di masakit ulo ko pagising kahit na may days na 3 to 5 hours lang yung tulog ko. Mabilis rin ako nakakatulog kasi parang nag-chill yung utak ko, di yung andaming iniisip masyado. So I'll be taking Sleepasil na over my melatonin lang na supplements para I'll have better quality na sleep and to help me lower my stress levels. Kayo, have you tried Sleepasil? If you haven't yet and curious kayo, check the links in the caption, comments are on my bio.